Hello, today we'll be talking about Prometheus. Prometheus is an open source system for monitoring and alerting. Some of its components are written in Ruby, but most of the components are written in Go. This means that you have a single executable which you can download and run. We will be running three VMs, one named Prometheus server and other node 1 and node 2. We will configure Prometheus server on the node Prometheus, um, and then we will install node exporter on node 1. The node exporter is a Prometheus exporter for hardware and OS metrics. It allows us to measure various machine resources such as memory, disk, and CPU utilization. We'll be using that. We will also do the same for node 2. The data is stored in the time series database. We can use a query language called PromQL in the Prometheus server to query the metrics. It also has an graphing interface. We can also use that. I will install Grafana, and then I will connect to the Prometheus database, and then we will create a dashboard out of it. We'll also make use of another binary called as AlertManager, which handles the alerts sent by the client applications. Then we will set different levels based on the type of alert, and then we will route those alert to different email groups. Yeah, this is what I'm going to do in this tutorial.